Welcome, y'all. This is the first time that I've ever scripted anything. And I mean anything. My name is Peter Adkins. So walk with me as I try to paint a Picasso at Walmart. Oh, just in case it's your first time ever meeting an addict, hi, welcome to Adkins Fabrication and then some. The objective of this channel is simple: recover the world. Let me explain. I'm a 5-year recovering addict. I was an active user of heroin for over 20 years. There are things this addiction has taken from me and every other addict who is watching this. Every. But let me just talk about me. There's something that this addiction has taken from me that I can never get back. I don't care how hard I try. Because it'll always be thrown in my face. It'll always be used against me. I can't even take a shower at my family's house because of things that are used against me from one of the things, I was probably 17, maybe 18. I think I was 17. It is what it is, right? You know, I was told 5 years ago that I was given a gift. I wasn't told at that time, though, that I had to work hard and get his gift back. But 5 years later, something came to my heart. And I remember Mr. Rob saying when I was down Pal that if you make it through this, and you're not one of the statistics that just go out there and fall right back off the wagon or die, the only way you're going to be able to keep this gift is if you give it back. You gotta give it back. So here I am today, Adkins Fabrication and then some. I used to sell tools. I used to rob and steal. I used to do all kinds of crazy stuff, man, in my addiction. Today, I'm a responsible man. I work every day. My child support gets paid. I put it this way, I put 40 hours in a week, and I only bring home $365. That's all the money that I see every week. Same amount, 40 hours, $365. And I stay humble. Because I know God's got me. And I know this is going to happen for me. Because I know all you lovely people, all you beautiful people out there are going to help me get there. Just like I would help you. It don't cost nothing to hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? But check out some of the videos because they're just going to get more interesting as we go along. Because I'm learning. Just like why y'all clicked on here, we're learning. We're all learning together. This is going to be a machining channel and a woodworking channel. But at the same time, we're going to talk a little bit. We're going to find out what's up with each other. Right? Because one of the underlying problems with the world today, right, is the mental health issue in this country. And we got to get a grip on that. Because the problem is, my problem was, let me tell you my problem. Let me not say what the problem is, but let me tell you what my problem was and what I observe a lot of. And through talking through people, when I walk up and down my alley to get here, I see addicts all the time and I talk to them. And, you know, one of the things that I know about me was that I didn't like me. Yo, I hated me. I did not like me, bro. And I damn sure did not like you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I was that kind of addict. I wanted that smoke. That's why they call me Pistol Pete, yo. I wanted that smoke, bro. Not no more. Not no more. It ain't because I'm too old. It ain't. Nah, man. God's humbled me, man. He touched my heart. He's put good people in my life, man, to help me grow. What would I look like to them letting myself down like that? Right? As hard as I fought to get here, why would I just throw all that away now? Because of the ignorance of someone else. They're only going to do something like that to get you to pop off so they can take everything from you, bro. Just remember, that's what they waiting to do. They waiting to tell you, I told you so. Why didn't you just listen to me? I told you from the beginning you couldn't do this. That's what they're waiting to do. Yo, remember what the video said? Man, suck it the hard way, bro. You dig what I'm saying? Like, man, don't go for none of that. Yo, remember this. If you was an addict, you got high every day, you had an addiction, then you figured out ways to get high, bro. And if you could be creative enough to figure out ways to go get high, boy, you could be creative enough to figure out ways to go make money the legal way also. Don't let that creativity go out the window. There's some virtues that we take from that. You understand? Getting high made me who I am today. That journey made me who I am today. Not what you want me to be or what they want me to be. No, who I am. I fought to get here, blood, sweat, and tears. With nobody pushing me from behind, man. I did that. They tell you gotta be selfish in this. I did that, bro. I sat in them prison cells by myself, not knowing who or what I was coming home to. I sat there by myself every day, yo, and had to face me every day. I learned to love me, bro. Get to know you, bro. Getting to know you will help you to be a better and brighter you. It will help that spirit to shine like God wants it to. Let it out. Right? So, you know, I'm so passionate because I taught the beautiful mothers that had lost beautiful daughters and handsome sons to this addiction. You know, It's horrible to think that I used to do that to my mom, you know. I just want to say to all the mothers out there, that I'm really sorry. Yeah, I'm really sorry that we put you through that. This wasn't scripted. I'm just really sorry. Mental health, you see, the mental health. Still go through it. They don't care. They don't ask us. You know why they don't ask us? Because they don't care. You know why they don't care? Because all they care about is your insurance. And what kind of car they're going to buy after they get your insurance money this year and they make millions of dollars off of just feeding you meth and Suboxone. But ask them if they know what's going on with you. It's only a monthly report that gets done. Requirement. Is everything the same? Goodbye. That's it. Like, you know why they don't care? Because they just went and got a license so they could get the money. They ain't never been through this. One of my visions is to recover the world. And I'm saying that now, that's my idea, recover the world. There were no hashtags on YouTube, on Facebook or none of that until I started it. Recover the world. Take that title and start a non-profit. And we start doing we start doing what you call them, treatment facilities and recovery houses and stuff like that, man. Right? And we work it all the way up to the point where we could buy city blocks that are boarded up on North Avenue and stuff like that. And we can make it housing for the homeless. Oh, like we could really do stuff, yo, if we put our hearts together. Not just our minds, bro. It's gonna take our souls to save our own people, bro. Yo, man, I just care, yo. I'm tired of seeing all of us die, bro. So I started this shop. We're gonna build stuff. We're gonna make how-to videos. We're gonna do giveaways. I got a couple chainsaws I want to give away. I mean, we're gonna do some stuff together, man. And any of you brothers that are in recovery that ever want to stop by here, man, you holler at your boy, yo, I got you. No problem at all, man. You ever got something you want to sneak over here and do for somebody that you love? No problem at all, man. Welcome. Welcome. But I ask, man, that you walk with me on this journey. And that we do this together. I ain't asking for nothing. All I'm asking is that you just subscribe. Like, it's a cabinet I built for the laser engraver that I bought with my own money. And we build a cabinet for it out of reused wood. This is wood that was a pallet. We cut it up, and this is what we made out of it. It ain't done yet. So stay tuned and watch the videos, and you'll see how to build a cabinet and make it look great out of almost nothing. Listen, thank y'all for tuning in. I just wanted y'all to know while we're here, I wanted you to see the reasoning behind Adkins Fabrication and then some. The Adkins Fabrication and then some, we're going to turn that into a LLC. I want to do machining and woodworking. So any of you guys that own boats, you might need a new shaft turn. If you're in the Maryland area, man, stop on by. I'm down here, 6811 5th Avenue. I'm in the back garage. The address is on the garage door in the back alley, 6811, man. Right on the garage door. Stop on in. We'll turn it on down. Send you back out with a smile. Adkins Fabrication and then some. Thank y'all for watching, man. Don't forget, go down, hit that subscribe, that like, and that share button, man. I love each and every one of y'all. Anything you need. PeterAdkins77@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.